Hey guys, welcome to another TribalWars video. So today I'm gonna show you how to use Farm Assistant. First thing first, you need to get Farm Assistant or Loot Assistant script that's approved by games. Well, you can just ask me in Vault 112. So basically, first thing first, once you get the script, you go to Quickbar, press Add New Link. You type in, let's say FA. You paste the script here. You can choose the light cavalry or scout or whatever makes you happy. FA YOLO, because this is for YouTube. So I'm gonna save it. Once that's done, just go ahead and open that Loot Assistant. Press your Farm Assistant script and see the B button. You just press and hold the B and it sends out all the units. I didn't have much in the village because mine are usually out farming, but for sake of video I can show you the A unit. I press and hold A button and now the scouts just fly out to all the barbarians around. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use a Farm Assistant script, and it is very useful in early stage of the game, also actually throughout the game. And next video I will make about mass recruitment script. It's more for middle and late game. So yeah, but still it's nice to mass recruit stuff rather than just doing it manually by pressing barracks and stable, going village by village. Yeah, it takes just like 2 or 3 clicks and you get all the offensive troops in. Then the same thing for defense, and if you have some special ram or scout villages, same for those. Yeah, also we have this barricade battle game. Can give you a quick tip how to play here. So it's super simple, you just smash whatever you like, and you see the opponents. Yeah, I almost beat those. Once you move the mouse on any of those guys, you can see pluses and minuses, who's strong against what. So this guy is not strong against anything, so I'm just gonna wait until my troops arrive. I need some more. Yeah, I almost beat those guys, almost. So yeah, you can see pluses and minuses, that's all. You just chose the ones with the most pluses and always try to make it the maximum. If they allow you to put 1000, then just wait when you have 1000 units so you can put them in. You will beat your opponents with less losses. And yeah, pretty much that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and well, see you next time.